All right, y'all. We out here in the greens today. You feel me? And we gonna see what's up here real quick. You know, it's a good little area. You feel me? So, got the handy dandy boots on, and let's see. Yeah. It's kind of steep. Gotta plant my motherfucking feet. Yeah. Here we go. I just want to see what's over this fence. I hear some music up here. So I'm like, man, let me go see what's up. Look at this little fly just floating here. He gone. Look, he gone. He right there. Okay. Let's see what's over here. Let's see. What's over this fence? I don't know. It's a street with some more trees. Okay, now back down we go. Here we go. Good thing I got these boots on. These motherfuckers, I could grip the heel into the boot. So let's go.